This machine is the Royal Master Centerless grinder model TG-12x8. We are hand loading the part into the formed wheels and profiled work rest weight. The ram bed position control is our high accuracy system with motor and encoder increments of 4/millionth of an inch or 1/10 of a micron. The movement is over frictionless cross roller weights. The 1.5-inch diameter part is ground on 2 diameters with a large diameter head which remains unground. The grinding wheel form is dressed with a single point diamond traversing in an over-the-wheel template profile. The regulating wheel is also dressed with a template trace and a single point diamond. These wheel dressers are used in motor drive with ball screw automatic travelers. Ram bed position is coordinated with the Parker motion control. The operator interface is a 17-inch touchscreen with Windows 7 Professional along with the latest hardware and user-friendly software. Screens are easily navigated and provide flexibility of parameter input, retrieval of speed-saved grind recipes and dress recipes, as well as communication to B systems. Remote access for diagnostic tools and report sending are standard. The machine automatically reports its functions to the Advanced Machine Optimization AMO cloud database. By activating the AMO feature on your Royal Master, your grinder will start to report machine-specific information to our secure cloud database. Receive up-to-date reports of how your machine is performing and have the app remind you of your PM based on time of use. Check error logs, part counts, cycle times, part numbers, and more. With AMO, you can stay connected to your grinding process and receive up-to-date information to optimize your manufacturing process. The model TG-12x8 is available in in-feed, through-feed, as well as high accuracy and CNC versions. This machine has a part grind capability of 3 inches, 75 millimeters in diameter, and offers a grinding wheel diameter of 12-inch, 300 millimeters, and a regulating wheel diameter of 8-inch, 203 millimeters. Both wheels are 8-inch, 203 millimeters wide. The grinding wheel spindle design has 3 sets of Class 7 ABEX angular contact Simpson bearings inside a large headstock with an outboard self-centering bearing set for a twin grip design. This design gives the grinding wheel spindle superior accuracy. The regulating wheel with its 2 1/4 inch, 57 millimeter diameter spindle and Timken bearings allow for the most demanding applications to be ground with 0 deflection. The 8-inch, 203 millimeter diameter regulating wheel allows for closer tolerance with larger diameter work. The machine sits on our 8-inch, 203 millimeter thick Starrett surface plate quality granite. The granite bed forms a perfect platform for such a robust spindle design. The granite, known for its rigidity and thermal properties, provides a superior platform to other machines on the market that have thinner cast iron beds and make it as strong as those that have machine platforms that are twice the physical size of the TG-12x8. The ram bed positioning has also been upgraded with longer and wider ram beds. With our high accuracy machine controls and ram bed positioning options, the upper ram travels over frictionless cross roller weights for the smoothest, most efficient and accurate movement. The friction-free ram system, coupled with a direct coupled motor and ball screw, allows for precision micron movement. The movement referenced directly from the 1.1 micron glass scale linear encoder. The ball screw and direct coupled servo motor is controlled by a Parker motion control ETL system to deliver fine ram bed position adjustments when in-feed and through-feed grinding. The entire ram bed swivels with a work rest holder to simplify adjustments and changeovers. We added stepper motors and ball screws to our dressers for programmable traverse rates as standard equipment. With this new platform, wheel wheel dressers are offered as air sensing, automatic dressing, over-the-wheel CNC, as well as rotary diamond disc CNC platforms. On the TG-12x8, we upgraded our regulating wheel servo drive with 170 foot-pounds of continuous torque with an 8-to-1 gearbox. The main spindle motor is 10 horsepower. The entire ram bed swivels with a work rest holder to simplify adjustments and changeovers. The operator control system provides digital settings of regulating wheel speed, wheel dressing parameters, as well as other standard machine controls. Applications such as titanium bar stocks, PCD diamond tools, and hard carbides are routine for this machine. Other companies boast these applications. The TG-12x8 looks for larger diameter applications, up to 3 inch in diameter, that will put all this rigidity and engineering to good use. The TG-12x8 started with a robust spindle design and worked its way out. The TG-12x8 is available for all types of grinding and loading applications, including pick and place, robotics, and bowl feeding. In our booth at IMTS, we have two systems: TG-12x8 through feed grinding at high throughput rate, and TG-12x8 high accuracy in feed grinding, a 1.5 diameter part, 8 inches long. Look to Royal Masters for centerless grinding solutions, from standard centerless grinders to total turnkey packages. Visit us at royalmaster.com. See us at booth 6626 in Chicago.